Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about something that I'm sure you guys have probably had before. It is Smucker's Strawberry Jam. I love these little mini packs because they're just easy to carry around and like store in the cabinet. And I feel like sometimes it takes me a while to go through them because I have them with like with toast, with butter and jelly, obviously with the strawberry butter and then the strawberry jam on top. So I like to just have the little packs in my pantry rather than having the whole jar, which sometimes will go bad once it's open and in the fridge for a while. So about this item, the details are that it is easy to spread. It's a balance of fruit and sweetness and perfect for a tasty peanut butter and jelly. But I prefer it with just butter and strawberry jam on my toast. So families have loved, this is just a little bit about the brand, by the way. Families have loved our strawberry jam for more than 100 years and for good reason. With just the right amount of balance of fruit and sweetness, we use ripe berries and let the natural flavors intensify in the making. Add Smucker's seedless strawberry jam to balsamic vinaigrettes, pair with dark chocolate, or go classic and make a tasty peanut butter and jelly. It does not contain any of the 8 major allergens, which is perfect for children. They come in glass jars and these little packs, which you could just store in like a room temperature. So the ingredients are strawberries, high fructose corn syrup, sugar, fruit pectin, citric acid, and copyright by the J.M. Smucker Company in Orrville, Ohio 44667. So I don't love that these have high fructose corn syrup. Of course, it's not something I'm a fan of, but like I said, I don't have it all the time, just once in a while with my toast, and I just love the flavor, so I will make an exception. I think everything in moderation. This product is kosher and grade A fancy. So I think I'm just gonna open this up to show you guys right now. Smells delicious. You guys can see the texture and consistency, very similar to like a blueberry jelly. The main ingredient is fruit, and the main fruit ingredient, of course, is strawberries. The dietary needs is it is kosher, like I said on the top. If you get the glass jar, there's 26 approximate servings per container, but of course this is just one because this is single serve. A lot of times, like, they'll have these in restaurants and stuff. I don't know, I guess it's easier, and rather than them taking from a jar and having to put it in like one of the little, glass containers that hold it and stuff like that. So, or I think it's called a ramekin. So this is just easier and more cleanly, I'm sure. So the fruit spread type, of course, is jam, and it is absolutely delicious. If you guys like strawberry jam, and I know a lot of people that actually like strawberry jam over blueberry jam, even though I feel like blueberry jam is like the most popular. Or no, I'm saying blueberry. I keep meaning to say grape. Most people do like peanut butter and jelly with grape, but not everybody likes grape. A lot of people like strawberry with it. So it is seedless. It tastes great. I've been enjoying this product for years. There's actually so many different things that you could put this on. Like, you could have homemade cheese blintzes. And I don't know. I'm just trying to think what else. You could probably put these in like different recipes. You could put this on croissants. I like that this is smooth rather than chunky. And I'm really happy to know that it is seedless. I don't know if a lot of you guys like seeds, but this is definitely seedless, and I like it a lot. And I believe, based on the ingredients, that this is vegan as well. Like, I'm vegetarian, it's fine, but I believe it is vegan out there for all my vegan people. Kids love it, adults have it. I think it's definitely something to have in the house. And if you don't like strawberry jam, they have like apple, they have grape, and they have other flavors as well. And of course, Smucker's has been around forever. I love their products. Their jellies, their peanut butter. They have like those crustless PB&Js that they sell in the grocery store as well. And Smucker's is just a really well-known product, and this strawberry jam is so delicious. I hope that you guys try it out, and I really hope that you found the video useful. Thank you so much for watching, everybody.